Hook up free for 2 days running straight. One one summer and a yet. Endra made the reports bro say Ghana ni babia wokopi ododowa also hook up ya wako stranded. And power ya made the bro say hook up queen be our friend who queen of dicks. One also we bu ya yesusu say Sakawa boys. Another lady who the picture no was screen so no. Ube who say the left eye no as a yabono she has been assaulted in Ghana has a no one also sa WhatsApp hookup group here mubi where you hook up lady wo bema ebeba be hu no na wo bema no atre ne say bra wo bema ne be chat wo WhatsApp so say bra na me ne wonda overnight na me ntia o se ejuma no na wo ye na wo pene ye ekohia bema no na wo kohia bema no say bema no eye Nigeria ni na wo bema no de oba no asemo de abeto ye nim ne say oba ma ne de ne kre wo ma ne good treatment o treating ne ye embra wo hia ne initially no wo de ne ko club e ko ton san ne nyama ma na wo treating ne well na ne echi na oba ma ne ka say afei ye nko fie na de enti amema wo baaye no because de enti amema wo baaye nsem ne wo beda enti afei ye nko fie na de enti amema wo baaye no ye nko ne nko yo oba no so she was ready for game and na wo ne be ma ne ko fie. Now, never man coffee no who says, bear man a crown, what boys be bra at Nigeria boys. Bear man a can one more year 8. But a no, and not just a Washington who said one new banner a better into a banner to Asiamano, and a one new banner a diarrhea. Now, one new banner diarrhea. A while Bermano air catchable banner say, one ma one in now for 47 now can so and then in that. And no banner say, oh, that be. Then, sir. Yeshe hono ebia wo ka se modoso na ka ebia meka se o member ba na minim se ye wope na eye wope na maba bedu ha ye nye ne sa eye wope na wo se me ne o ye den eda mesrew ma memisika na menko tese wo be ma no so se dabi e no ba ne se oh worry me like yes worry me ye ma bre mesrew de ma menda kakra na men sorry ba wo na fofo ne de mesre me mo monre se ye wo ena what's the main sound so my own review ma you've bought me throughout the night into any able to me how many times I will pay and I try say what be man and then it's asem we are ken oba say it was happening around our matching too because oba man fan and enyumre and our call club into any oba man ko fie ne de na ya homache into ahomache too and I dey we AC into any be man no e di ho echi ne san e wo room ho and oba man ka ten so okay say wo ma me na for 47 na kana anyone that there mamia me sanso enwi obiom eno ba ne say oh wo de me ma ware ba mesre ochina no pa na mama ware ma bre ma me nda kakra mesre o afi be ma nedwa say na wa mama oska say me be real all night no ma real kakra bia o say wa bre o say that me mpene no hunti obe ma no aso wo ba ni mu abono obe ma ne na for 47 na kana Nigeria fo no na obane de aka ne se wosusu se bema no wo Sakawa boy woni ne ndafo for Nigeria for no mo wo Ghana ha se no mo ye Sakawa ena wo mo 8 bema 8 na aka no obema ne ka ho a plus ne other 7 friends into 8 boys omo achi wo ba we buno still was he wonye omo se e was he real still was he wonye o me ha ne se wo bema na atwe etuo e de atuniti so na no ba no so pese wo play smart and na waka be man say na wo say me ma onda phone re na me say me ma omo re a wasan so akotwe toy gun oba ne pese o trese ne new audience wo say da ka be man say masa untumi fa toy gun asemu yi end adam yo e ho ane say wo be man de etuo no atresro ama warning shot po na fe wo bo hu say na oba man ne try ne say me pese me try say nye toy gun me kun a wo bien to me nya me hwe wo man we mu Nigeria ni a wa betena Ghana wa ka te bo ba se wo kun na wo bien to me nya ne hwe e wo Ghana just because he has money or a fraud boy asem penny nja fe wo ba na bo hu but asem we ni esi no luckily enough it was happening close to a window bi na wo ben ho na window no window nechi gata ene wo ho it will ban say ya bunu na fe wo yese wo sorry asa wo patch o okay me ya afe wo mu jai kakra no and I will dive far window nim and I will call to gata and you say bam na send you will talk gata nim no obefi say we one no it's what that gata nim no she was motionless na wo tie nsema wo mo ka nti that gata nim no na wo te say mbema no 8 na no mo bu no room no ba ko air catch the okita tio no say boss shoot am give her 1 bullet they make sure say she die because no more adwene say wo mu be ku na nkasa na waba no wase embra bema na twi tio no to in him ebo tio no na afei wo hu say da bibia beto ne so adrenaline level no e shoot akọ high because na afei de wo hu no o say eh ena ene kre advance be kume inta me to me dive ko to gata mu no na afei wada gata ni wote say one of the guys say catch the okita tio no say boss shoot am make he die make we make sure say he die give am some 1 or 2 bullets and a boss make us say oh no see the way she did the gata inside she die already I no go waste my bullet already I waste my bullet in showing her say the gun no be toy gun so I no go waste my bullet again nini name no oti o oti and after we gather on ninga kra na pa o jane ye and I wo pie ye and I wo konya motorbike bia wo ko fu motorbike na gidi na kra wo ko share pastor bi bebia obema ne man ni besi wo no aha okọ ho ena tese nipa wo form first na still wo ho ena obo na mane se wo obema na me besi ha na wo fa me na me ne no yakọ club no say no de ko di mi o say na waya mi o ena wo muni na pastor na wo shia no okada man na wo fa no ena the first person na wo fa na wo besi no wo sa station apparently wo fa wo kada no go si wo station to hu sa nipa kro no ena wo muni na eboa no ekọ police for ho a wo mo ko bo police for na mane a police for no edi mirika ekọ embrante no wo mo ko na embrante no wo mo ada kra trese ahomachi wo mo ada because omuni so muni how omuni so mo kun bi bewie nje no mu na police for ema wo de asem no ekọ hospital police for man medical form say won fa asem no ko hospital a wo de call ya trese wo wie ye wa ba bonten eden nsem no e ba betudwa na meka ne biom just like the video I posted not long ago mekan wom these hookup ladies you need to be very careful very careful he enipa bebia na nse enipa edu no nipa kuwa ni obi hwi o ebia wo esanse wadwe mo fan esanse wadwe mo fan ni ntino wo nipa kun se eye big deal but wo do ho a wo no nipa kun no wo ho ne se chicken change o wo ho nipa sa akoko wo nanim so these people on the wakoda say was you on yafe wo pese wo kun and listen to what none enough for ne kra eka na try say this is not the first time ebia sa Nigeria ni ana branch this is not the first time ebia wa ye bibi say ebia wo ma ye pen wo mo de ye mma because for obi adamfo watwe etuo wo so no na adamfo ka say boss give am some 1 or 2 bullets make we make sure say she die say won ku nipa da you can't pass that statement you can't pass that judgment because one who ku na body no de no koto hin but we obi a we ku nipa da wa bo obi tue ku ne da then you can say that thing with ease Misremo this who captain yes we'll be better say you don't know what I'm going through that's why I'm doing this job you don't know what I'm going through that's why and sometimes yes abrabumu ayedin but Mr. Esani ye kana enye obi a wono be kwakokun obi in the name of arm robbery no so be tell say the man ne be ye arm robber no and say na abrabumu ayedin after all why are they robbing it's because of money we say wonye adwuma bi enya ska kesia na ko de no be kwakoshe robbery mu ana so these things if you try to justify because I don't have money I don't have any job there's no job in the country because of this that's why I'm doing this job I mean yes you are giving a reason for that but is the reason concrete enough you think the reason is concrete enough now your life is at stake and so because of money you like to kill yourself or you like to die these stories are coming up please yesremo yesremo hook up for yesremo. This year a lot of prophets Ashenkom said this type of killings will go on, and it has started already. We are in January, we are hearing of these killings already. Hook up Queen no employ nkrofo ewe dwuma nim no wono Krasakawa boys e deny ekuno now later asem na chi de ebeti ye ne se wono kra no wo kache ne namfofo se woni mbema bi kodai no wonim pa se mbema ne Sakawa boys da woni mbema ne kodai afi wa yare bia wonti ase later kra at the end na insofo ho e na wo chin insofo ho e na wo kọ mombo mpaye ma mi o me ne Sakawa boys bi akoda o wo mu kumi o later kra wo be wuye please Muntia maju on comment box ni mo me da ase